What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be probably my first video. I've recorded like, I don't know, 10 other times and they never made it out. Either it fell through. I just got lazy, honestly. I had did my hair one time. I didn't have nothing to cover it up. Didn't have no do-rag or anything. So I went to Walmart at like 12 a.m. and this is the only color they had. So it is what it is.
Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit.
I had did some twists. This is like a week ago. I did some twists and I ended up, it's just 4 twists and I kind of put them back because they were in the way when I went to the gym. I know I look crazy. I'm sorry y'all, don't judge me, but I might as well get it out the way in the first video so you get used to it. These are my twists. I don't know if you can actually see everything because I put my head down, but these are my twists. They're a little bit crusty. This band, I had some like those little black ties. Oh look, this one just came out. But yeah, so this is like it's about 7 days old. I use some, see that's what I'm talking about. I use the Can 2, I think it's like the Can 2 Twist and Lock Gel. I bought it a couple months ago and I literally have a full jar because I hate it because it flakes so much. Like right now, like I don't know if you guys can see, but it is pretty it's pretty flaky. I can literally run my hand down like this and it's flaking off. You probably can't even see it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what I normally do. I'm pretty known for my bun. I don't ever put my hair like this. I'm going to show you what I normally do to get my bun. And I'm going to be using Sulfate.
Bitch, I know you fucking lied.
I wish I also see this. It's flaking so bad. I try to give you guys a little bit of a length check. Much the same all the way around. This is a twist in the back. Using this line, this is the shampoo. This is the conditioner. You know, same thing. Whole product line. Whatever they're doing, I like it, and it's cheap. It's like $3.99 I think at Walmart or something like that. I like this leave-in condition. It's not focusing. Focus on this. There we go. I like this leave-in. It's this Can 2 flakes so bad. I guess it does provide some hold with the gel. Moisture. It's been 7 days and I can see flakes. Subscribe, like, and comment. So I will see you guys in the shop. Oh, it's so cold. Okay, that's cold. Okay, and my eyes. Along with the conditioner, same line. Kiss. There we go. We're gonna go in. I like to use a lot of conditioner because I want a lot of slip because I don't want my hair to fall out when I'm trying to detangle it. And it smells bomb. Stiff wear.
Oh, well. Well.
So I'm gonna use this as my leave-in conditioner. This is the best gel, period. This stuff smells bomb. This is the Wetline Extreme Professional Styling Gel. Aloe vera, no residue, alcohol-free, UV filter, and extra firm hold for 24 hours. I'm gonna put this in my hair, wet it, put this, use this gel to seal it up and get the ends. But I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna do my hair. So of course I'm rushing, so I use a lot of products. So of course this product is sitting in there. Usually goes away and dries. But this is the basis of the bun. And then of course I go in with the gel around the edges, and I usually just brush it up and then kind of separate this part line. This is not a cut part, this is a natural part. It's just where my hair is longer there, and that's when I get like the side cut here. But I usually just use the little excess bit of leave-in conditioner for around the sides. Make sure everything is moisturized. I don't really care that much about the hair on the sides because it grows like crazy anyway. Who cares? But yeah. I've started using quite a bit of gel because it just lays the edges down so good. Shoot. Okay, my camera's about to cut off. I'm gonna go ahead and gel this up around the sides, and I will be back on my cell phone. Alright, so I'm back. I've got the gel in. It's still kind of wet. Hopefully it's still pliable. So basically I just go in. This is not very like wide framed, but basically I just go in and like do that all the way around. So let me do that real quick.
What we do here is go back.
And then after I do that, make sure everything is laid down. Basically the point is, you see these little flyaways here? I basically want to get those laid down as much as possible. And then after that, I will go in and sort of like, can't see. I will sort of like do this all the way around. So see how that line gets drawn? So you can see the difference. There's this side and then there's this side. Alright, so basically that's the bun. Hopefully you guys can see. This is the rough version. It looks terrible. Like what I like to do is do my hair at night. I take my shower, try to do my hair at night. So then I will put something on my head, so when I'm sleeping, all of that is up against my head and it lays everything down properly, so then when I wake up,
she looks so good.
and then I'll just wear a bonnet for the rest of the week, and then it usually lasts me, honestly, if I take really good care of it, I can get away with it for like 7 days. So I really don't know what my hair, I think my type is like, I don't know what my hair type is. Feel free to leave that below in the comments. Let me know if you think what my hair type is. I'll try to do it.
When do it becomes?
This will lay down from sleep. But yes, I want you to do this quick video. I want you to get a video up. If I didn't put this video up, who knows when I'm gonna do it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I'm gonna try to put a video up as much as possible. I'm not gonna say new videos every week because I'm still new to this. I hope to do hair videos. I want to do funny videos, mukbangs. I want to just basically, you know, the channel's called Michael's Opinion, so I want to leave my opinion on more things than just my hair. But the hair definitely is what inspired me.
Groundbreaking.
Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. See ya.